In this video, we will close the back of our engine with a copy of the front cap. I'll change a few details with direct modeling and in the end mirror the cap. Before we do that, let's finalize it by applying fillets to the edges. Zoom in, select the edges, and use the arrow to apply the 3mm fillet. Let's hide the end cap for now in Items. We won't need it. We also won't need the front cap for now, so I'll hide it as well. I need to adjust the wall of my engine in the back, but before I do so, I need the width of my hub. It is 10mm. We'll also cover the blind holes, which are 5mm deep, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. Now let's check out the back and see if it can handle my front cap. As you can see, it's only 5mm wide, so let's modify it so it can handle the screws. Use the arrows to offset the face so it is 10mm thick. Now we need to create the blind holes for the screws. For this, I'll project edges of the holes in the front to the back with the Project tool. Go to Project and select the inner edges of the 4 holes. Tap Next. I won't need them as sketches, only as edges. Switch it at the top. Select the back of the engine as the face to project to. Tap Done. Now, select the projected faces and using the arrows, push in 5mm. Notice that when you push, it will show 57mm. This is the width of the frame. Push it in until 52mm. That will give us a 5mm deep blind hole. Select the edges of the holes. And apply a 0.5mm chamfer. This will ease the path of the screws. Now, let's go back to our default view by double-tapping on the orientation cube. Apply the same 0.5mm chamfer on the holes in the front. We're almost done. Let's create a mirror plane so that we can mirror the front cap too. Open Add/Construction Planes and select the Mid-Plane option. Now, select the front and back face of the engine. A plane will appear. Tap Done. Open Items and make your front cap and bolts folders visible again. Go to Mirror and select the front cap and the 4 screws. Tap Next. Now, select the mirror plane and tap Done. Unhide the end cap folder, and we have reached the end of the lesson. In the next video, we are going to create the fan pattern on the end cap.